ready to ditch the job hunt and work with top clients. Let's dive into how to get approved on Toptal. Toptal is known for its rigorous process, aiming to connect clients with the best freelance talent. This means getting approved isn't a walk in the park, but it's definitely achievable. Let's break down the steps. First, head over to Toptal and click Apply as a freelancer. This starts your journey. You'll need to create an account, providing basic information like your name, email, and area of expertise. Next is the screening process. There are several stages, including a skills assessment. Toptal tests your technical skills to ensure you meet their standards. Honesty and a strong understanding of your field are crucial here. Be prepared to showcase your past projects and areas of expertise. Now, you'll encounter a language and personality screen. This evaluates your communication skills and your ability to work independently and as part of a team. Toptal wants freelancers who are not only technically proficient but also professional. Pay attention to detail. After passing the language and personality assessment, you'll go through thorough technical interviews. These involve live coding challenges or technical discussions, depending on your specialization. Be ready to demonstrate your problem-solving abilities. During the interview process, be sure of some things. Have a strong online presence, including an updated portfolio and resume that showcases your best work. Prepare examples, projects. Be transparent about your experience and be patient, as the vetting process can take several weeks. If you are approved, congratulations, you'll have access to exciting projects with reputable clients. Remember that getting approved is an accomplishment. Stay focused, and good luck.